and then so at some point, Chris, there's also a monitor here that you'll be able to see as I'm scoping her.
Sounds good.
Okay, we're just going to get her cleaned up here a little bit.
It's okay, it's okay.
Good girl, Kira. Good girl, Mama. Good girl.
So has she had a litter yet?
This will be her second.
Her second. Okay,
Her first litter, she had 8.
beautiful.
So she's gonna have.
How did she conceive? First time natural or?
Yeah, natural. Yeah,
With a husky?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. A full-grown husky.
Yeah.
Good girl, Kira, and she's the daughter of Nova. So,
Nice.
the one that had the Pomskies, the one that you did. Kira, stack. Good girl.
All right. Just be nice and clean there.
Okay, I might need you to come back and hold her head, if you don't mind.
So this is a little catheter shunt that acts as a tunnel that helps to guide my endoscope. There we go. So normally dogs won't stand for this, but because she's in standing heat, that means she is ready to be bred. And so for her, this seems like a normal, natural mating process. You know, the tail's kind of wagging, it's flagging, like you would normally see. Try and impress a male. Or try to get the male's attention. Right, this is the actual scope that's going to help us to visualize the cervix. And once the cervix is visualized, I will thread a catheter through that cervix from where the semen will be deposited.
Good girl, Kira.
Alright. Okay, so right now we're in the vaginal lumen and we're going to introduce some air into the vaginal lumen. There you go. That's just going to help me see where to go. Okay. We're getting pretty near the cervix at this point in time. So, alright. Alright, so this is my catheter, and this is what's going to enter through the cervix and into the lumen of the uterus. Okay. There we go. Alright, so let's introduce a little bit more air here. So, okay. There we go. So staring right at us is the cervix, and that's the cervical opening right there. And now just gently twisting the catheter through the cervical opening and just making sure that we're all the way through.
Kiss mommy.
Okay, sometimes it gets caught on a fold or two, so now I can feel the catheter freely entering, and now I've reached the limit as to how far I need to go. There's a nice shot of the cervix right there. Alright, very nice. Okay, the stylet is removed. The little adapter tip is put in place. Alright. And now we're going to drop the semen into this syringe and deposit into the uterus. And Kira here just needs to hang on for 2 more seconds.
Good girl, Kira.
Awesome. Good girl.
Look. My treat. My treat. Go on. Oh, we get some steak. Eh? Well, I get pork chops. Eh? Yes, good girl, Kira.
Hang on. Hey, don't move, baby.
Alright, so we have the collected semen here, drawn up in a syringe. Go. And now it's going to get deposited right into the uterus. We're never able to see the uterus, but that's where the sperm are going to end up, is in the uterus. And the reason why we do this is because the cervix itself is a major physical barrier. So this ensures that most of the semen is deposited into the uterus and not outside the cervix, where only a few little spermies will be able to get through the cervix. So it gains the added advantage of having more sperm looking for those eggs, and which increases our chances of fertilization and increased puppy size.
Is that her?
She just burped. That's from breakfast.
What she thinks about this.
Oh, it smells like moose meat. Yeah, Kira.
So we're going slowly here just to allow the uterine lumen to accommodate the extra volume. There we go. Good stuff.
Good girl.
All right, Rick,
Kira.
can I get you the handle of the scope there? Just a little bit here. Perfect. All right.
Hey, look.
Good. All right, that's all she wrote. Kira was a very good girl, and now just a matter of removing everything here. Okay, and then we're going to let Kira stand for a few minutes. There you go.
There, congratulations. There you go, Kira.
And that's what's involved in a transcervical insemination.
Wow, congratulations. Another great job.
All right.
That's awesome.
Good girl.
Yes.
Yeah.
She's still flagging.
She's a good candidate.
She is.
She's happy.
Oh, yeah.
Like, "Ooh, we're gonna
Yeah,
have
she don't like
puppies.
sitting.
We're gonna have puppies.
Yeah, she's not much of a sitter. She's more like a
Girl.
stander.
You're a good girl.
Eh? Yeah, you like standing majority of the time. Hey?
You're a good girl.
Yeah, that was actually pretty quick.
Yeah.
That was pretty quick. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was
That's the
crazy quick.
fastest one I've ever seen you do.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
Really?
That looks good for the textbooks, hey, for the record books.
That was
There.
amazing.
Good girl.
And here's the opening. And